Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to tell you that how you can remove hair color with baking soda and without using any bleach. We are going to tell you two methods using baking soda for this, and some ingredients needed are shampoo, apple cider vinegar, baking soda and water. So let's get started. The first method using baking soda is, first of all, take 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Only 2 tablespoons of baking soda is required. Now you have to take 1 glass of water. Now add this baking soda in water. Now what you have to do is you have to apply this mixture on your hair for 10 minutes minimum. This method works better than using bleach. See, you have to apply it for 10 minutes only, and then what you have to do is you have to take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in it. Now add this apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Now you have to mix both these ingredients and wash your hair with this liquid now. This is the last step to remove hair color. Do not use any other thing on your hair after washing your hair with this liquid, as it works very well. Now the second method you can use is by using any anti-dandruff shampoo and baking soda. We have taken 2 spoon of baking soda and now we are adding same quantity, that means 2 spoon of shampoo in it. Now mix them well. Now apply this on your hair and massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can leave it for 5 minutes and then wash it off. This works very well. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.